So I have few things to show you around. I bought recently this plasma globe from Banggood. So let's turn it on. Got multimeter with frequency counter nearby. Around 27 kilohertz. Very nice. I'm gonna turn the light off. You cannot see it clearly on the video, but it looks much nicer than on camera. I got also this pen-shaped thing from Banggood. It's used for checking for the car spark plug whether it's working or not. So you can see it got neon light bulb in it. If I come closer, the neon shines. This plasma globe has around 30-40 centimeters strong electrostatic field around the sphere, so yeah, you can sense electricity around it. Very nice thing. I really like it. It's beautiful and it's worth every penny.